Hi, my name is Shazrul Snizi. My matric number is 07DLS20F2019. And me and my friends are going to present about public warehouse.
Hello and hi, my name is Nazrin Shahbin Matsaleh, matrix number 07DLS20F2007. So today I will present to you guys about what is warehouse. Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouses are used by all different types of business that need to temporarily store products in bulk before either shipping them to the other locations or individually to end consumers. So, what is public warehouse? A public warehouse is a commercial inventory space owned by a third-party business and rent to other companies for storage and distribution. Second, public warehouse offer short-term and long-term storage and charge based on the amount of goods the duration stored. Third, any other service provided such as rebranding and repalletizing for inbound and outbound shipments. About the benefits of public warehouse is public warehousing requires no capital investment. A public warehouse has all the infrastructure, equipment, and employees in place. There is no capital investment required, which means money will not be diverted away from other essential aspects of business. Second benefit, no property tax for tenants of a public warehouse. There are no property tax liabilities with public warehouse space for the tenants. Those costs are the sole responsibility of the warehouse provider. The last benefit is public warehousing offers greater flexibility. Public warehousing offers a great deal of flexibility since typical lease agreement only require a 30 or 60-day notice before moving. In addition, expanding into a new territory or geographic location can be facilitated with ease by utilizing other public warehouse space.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujin Gilbert with my matrix number 07DLS20F2078. So for this slide, I will going to present about the basic process of warehousing operation, and the first process is receiving. Receiving is the first warehouse process and one of the most crucial. To perform the receiving process properly, the warehouse should be able to verify that it has received the right product in the right quantity, in the right condition, and at the right time. Failing to do so will have consequence impact on all subsequent operation. Receiving also involves the transfer of responsibility for the goods to the warehouse. The places accountability on the warehouse for maintaining the condition of the goods until they are shipped. Properly receiving cargo will allow you to filter out damaged goods and avoid liability for them. The second is put away. Put away is the second warehouse process, and the N is the movement of goods from receiving dock to the most optimal warehouse storage location. Failing to place goods in the most ideal location can impede the productivity of warehouse operation. When goods are put away properly, there are several benefits. The first is cargo is stored faster and more efficient. The second, travel time is minimized. The third, safety of goods and employees is ensured. The fourth, warehouse space utilization is max. The fifth and the last is cargo is easier and faster to find, track, and retrieve. The third is picking. Picking is the warehouse process that collect product in warehouse to fulfill customer orders. Since it is the costliest process in the warehouse, comprising as much 55% of the total operation expense, optimizing this process will also allow you to reduce costs significantly and increase your warehouse efficiency. Streamlining of this process should also focus on achieving higher quality, as error can have a direct impact on your customer satisfaction.
Hello everyone, my name is DPL3003 Antali with my matrix number 07DLS20F2052. So I will going to continue our next process, which is packing. Packing is the warehouse process that consolidates a pick item in a sales order and prepares them for the shipment to the customer. One of the primary tasks of packing is to ensure that damage are minimized from the time items leave the warehouse. Additionally, packaging must be light enough so as not to increase the weight of the goods and minimal enough to control packaging costs. Next is shipping process. Shipping process is after packing process. Shipping is the final warehouse process and the start of the journey of goods from the warehouse to the customer. Shipping is considered successful only if the right order is sorted and loaded, is dispatched to the right customer, traveled to the right transit mode, and is delivered safely and on time. Previous processes such as ordering, put away, picking, and packing are also vital to the success of shipping because they are greatly affect whether the order is fulfilled accurately and safely. And the last process is returns process. This is something most companies wish will just disappear. However, returns are an intricate part of most business, and alas, the volume of returns is growing for many organizations, mainly due to the e-commerce revolution. Alarmingly, much of returns for many firms is for just one item at a time.
Hi, my name is Shazrul Snizi. My matrix number is 07DLS20F2019. And the next topic would be cross-docking. What is cross-docking? Cross-docking is a practice in logistics of unloading materials from a manufacturer or mode of transportation directly to the customer or another mode of transportation with little or no storage in between. This may be done to change the type of conveyance, to sort material intended for different destination, or to be combined material from different origins into transport vehicle or container with the same or similar destination. In simple terms, inbound product arrive through transportation such as trucks and trailer and are allocated to a receiving dock on the one side of the cross-dock terminal. Once the inbound transportation has been docked, its product can be moved either directly or indirectly to the outbound destination. They can be unloaded, sorted, and screened to identify their end destination. After being sorted, products are moved to the other end of the cross-dock terminal via forklift, conveyor belt, pallet truck, or another means of transportation to the destined outbound dock. When the outbound transportation has been loaded, the product can then make their way to the customer.
My name is Andi Muhammad Iksan bin Amir. Now I will explain about level of packaging. First, main packaging. Primary packaging is packaging that is in direct contact with the product itself. The main purpose of the main packaging is to protect and preserve the finished product. This is the first layer that contains the finished product, such as plastic bag containing whole grain, sucrose, or cardboard box containing a bag of sucrose. This type of packaging is usually intended for the end user or consumer. Next level of packaging is secondary packaging. This type of packaging is used outside the main packaging to collect a certain number of products to create storage unit, commonly referred to as SKU. It makes it easy to handle smaller products by arranging them into one pack. Kind of the packaging provides additional protection to help maintaining the integrity of the primary packaging. Secondary packaging is frequent, consists of various components like box, liner, separator, reinforcements, bags, paper, and more. It can also be customized to make the product easily identified inside warehousing setting. In the case of cereals, For example, secondary packaging will be into a corrugated cardboard box containing several individual grain box. The last level of packaging is tertiary packaging, often also referred to as a bulk of tension packaging. This type of packaging is used to group a larger quantity of SKUs to transport them from point A to point B. Example, from production facility to point of sale. During this stage, products are handled as distributed unit. This type of packaging make it easy to transport large and or heavy loads safely and securely. In addition to helping prevent damage, it consequently facilitates the handling, storage, and transport of goods. An example of tertiary packaging is a stretch wall pallets contain a quantity of cardboard box. Secondary packaging to enable efficient product shipping. That's all from us. Thank you.